How to get free items on Temu without inviting friends. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your Temu app. Here we go. Make sure you have already signed into your Temu account. You will land to the home page. At the bottom you will find different options. Head towards the option of view. Now go to the option of settings. Now head towards the option of country and region. Firstly, you will need to set country and region to the United States. After you do that, you can go back. Now over here you will find this option of earn credit and free gifts. Open that option. Now over here you can find different options. Head towards the very first option, 5 free gifts. Tap on that option, get now. Now from here you can easily pick free gifts. All you have to do is tap on the gift in this way. Tap on confirm the gift. For now, I will be just selecting 3 gifts, and after you select the gift, you can tap on the option of confirm. Tap on I'm good. Now from here, you can confirm your address and then tap on the option of confirm address. Flip a card, see how much you can cut. Tap on the option, pick it. With that, you will land to this page, and from here, inviting one friend, you can cut up to $12. Just tap on the option invite one friend. You will get this pop-up. From here you have to select the option of copy link. After you copy the link, now instead of showing it to your friends, you can show it to the family. With that you will be good to go. So right now this is the only way to get free items on Temu without inviting friends. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.